Hi everyone, welcome to Ultimate Products for All channel. Here you'll find valuable information for your life. All following information comes from experts and official website. Watch the video until the end because we're going to reveal a very important information. Let us know about your opinion or question leaving a comment below. Ever felt like your brain is in a fog? That feeling when you're not quite sharp or when you're trying to remember something and it just slips away. You're not alone. Today we're diving deep into the world of brain health and how our diet, especially a keto diet, can play a crucial role. It turns out what we eat significantly impacts our cognitive functions. Brain fog, that frustrating mental haziness, can often be linked to our dietary choices. But here's some good news. Certain foods can be your brain's best friend. Enter the ketogenic diet, a superhero for our brain health. Keto focuses on high-fat, adequate protein, low-carbohydrate foods. Why is this important? Because it encourages our body to burn fats rather than carbohydrates, a process that generates ketones. These ketones are like premium fuel for our brains, potentially improving memory and reducing brain fog. But that's not all. Let's talk about a specific fruit, the humble strawberry. Packed with antioxidants and nutrients, strawberries have been linked to improved cognitive functions. Imagine combining the power of a keto diet with berry benefits. It's a winning formula for our brains. Don't waste your valuable money. There are many portals like Amazon or similar website trying to sell fake guides. Fake food books with lack of quality and fake promises. If you want to get a real place to get your complete food list, click the link below in the description or fixed in the first comment of this video. So are you ready to clear the fog and boost your brain health? Start by integrating these powerful foods into your diet. And for a complete guide on the keto diet and how to effectively use it for brain health, be sure to click the link in the description below. Now I invite you to access full and detailed material by clicking the link below in the description of this video or pinned in the first comment. Remember, this link is the only official and certificated website. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button to receive more valuable information about premium and official products to your life. Thanks for watching.